Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated Apple product releases on the horizon, the M5 MacBook Pro. As rumors continue to build and expectations soar, it's time to take a deep look at everything we know so far about Apple's next powerhouse laptop and whether it truly lives up to the excitement. This next-gen MacBook Pro promises major enhancements across the board, from raw performance upgrades and thermal redesigns to advanced connectivity, mini LED display tech, and possibly new finishes that could shake up the MacBook aesthetic. For creative professionals, developers, content creators, and tech enthusiasts alike, this could be the most impactful MacBook Pro release in years. Let's break it all down, from the M5 chip to Wi-Fi 7 and beyond, in this in-depth analysis of the M5 MacBook Pro. Grab a drink, sit back, and let's go deep into Apple's next big leap in pro computing. Performance. The rise of the M5 chip at the heart of the new MacBook Pro is Apple's upcoming M5 chip, based on the cutting-edge 3nm process by TSMC. This silicon beast is expected to provide 20–25% better CPU and GPU performance over the M4, alongside remarkable gains in power efficiency. Unlike past generations that focused on modest jumps, the M5 marks a substantial leap forward, tailored to deliver uncompromising power to handle the most demanding professional tasks. Think 4K, video editing, 3D rendering, machine learning workloads, and high-end development environments. New memory tech, LPDDR6. RAM. Apple is likely to pair the M5 chip with next-generation LPDDR6 RAM, offering significantly higher bandwidth and faster data access speeds. Expect seamless multitasking, even when juggling intensive apps like Final Cut Pro, Xcode, Adobe Premiere, and Blender all at once. This memory leap will also prove advantageous for AI-powered workflows, particularly as Apple leans into integrating on-device AI capabilities, a key area of growth in 2025. Storage and internal optimization. Apple is expected to continue offering configurations up to 8 TB of SSD storage, along with faster read-write speeds, keeping in line with the demands of modern professionals. Whether you're archiving raw video footage or managing a massive codebase, the M5 MacBook Pro should make storage bottlenecks a thing of the past. To ensure the device stays cool under pressure, refined thermal architecture, and possibly liquid vapor chamber cooling may be part of the new design. These internal tweaks will help maintain top-tier performance without throttling during intense sessions. Design language. Familiar, yet sharpened. While Apple is unlikely to drastically overhaul the external look of the M5 MacBook Pro, expect refinements that enhance durability, usability, and aesthetic appeal. The iconic aluminum chassis remains, but rumors point to subtle enhancements, including stronger screen hinges, improving screen stability and reducing wobble, especially during heavy keyboard usage or on-the-go productivity. New finishes. Following the success of Midnight and Titanium in other Apple devices, the M5 MacBook Pro might debut in Midnight Blue, Titanium Gray, or even a graphite black variant. Thinner bezels, a sleeker front display look with possibly improved webcam placement and ambient light sensors. These design tweaks aim to make the MacBook Pro feel more robust, premium, and future-proof, while still appealing to Apple's minimalist aesthetic fans. Display tech, mini LED, continues to shine. While OLED MacBook Pros are rumored for 2026, Apple is sticking with mini LED displays for the M5 series, at least for now. That's not necessarily a bad thing. Expect extreme dynamic range levels of brightness and contrast. 20 Hz. Promotion for ultra-fluid scrolling and video playback, true HDR support with color accuracy, tailored for color grading and photo editing or blur. Creative professionals working in video, photography, or graphic design, the M5 MacBook Pro's display will remain one of the best in the business. Connectivity revolution. Welcome Wi-Fi. 7A game changer for this generation will be the integration of Wi-Fi 7. This next-gen wireless tech promises lightning-fast wireless speeds, reduced latency for smoother online collaboration, enhanced reliability. For high-resolution cloud-based workflows, perfect for hybrid workers and digital nomads who depend on remote tools, Wi-Fi 7 makes the M5 MacBook Pro a true companion for the future of work. Full port array returns. Thankfully, Apple isn't pulling a port purge this time. The M5 MacBook Pro is expected to retain its robust selection. MagSafe charging 3x Thunderbolt 4, ports full-size HDMI SD card slot 3.5mm headphone jack. For professionals using external displays, audio gear, or photography equipment, this full suite of ports is a massive plus. No need to live that dongle life. Launch timeline and pricing projections. So when can we expect to get our hands on it? Based on Apple's typical refresh cycle, the M5 MacBook Pro is likely to be unveiled in Q4 2025 or Q1 2026. Apple usually alternates between internal performance updates and external redesigns, and 2025 is clearly a performance-focused year. As for pricing, 14-inch M5 MacBook Pro, starting around $1,599, USD 16-inch M5 MacBook Pro, likely beginning at $2,499 USD maxed out config. Could surpass $3,500 USD depending on RAM and storage selections. Given the expected upgrades in chip performance, RAM, wireless tech, and display calibration, the premium pricing will likely be justified for professionals seeking longevity and top-tier performance. Looking beyond, the 2026 redesign tease. If you're holding out for a major design overhaul, you might want to wait for 2026. Apple is reportedly preparing a complete MacBook Pro redesign, featuring OLED displays, thinner chassis, even more efficient, cooling, possibly haptic keyboard enhancements. This marks a shift in Apple's broader design language and could align with the introduction of touch and AI-enhanced macOS interfaces, which many insiders believe is Apple's next frontier. Who should buy the M5 MacBook Pro? If you're a video editor working in Final Cut Pro or DaVinci Resolve developer, compiling large code bases or using virtualization tools, music producer running Logic Pro X, with huge plugin chains 3D artist using Blender, or Autodesk Maya photographer, handling massive raw photo libraries, then the M5 MacBook Pro will be a worthy investment that delivers both longevity and performance. For casual users, students, or light office workers, however, the current M2 or M3-based MacBooks still offer plenty of power and might be the more cost-effective option, especially if you don't need bleeding-edge performance.